All right, I bring you greetings once again, and this is we're beginning the design proper now. I want to design a flyer of one of the topic I want to, you know, treat and share to parents as regards to the spiritual atmosphere of their children's school. Okay, so I want to create an sorry, a flyer to that effect. Okay, if you have watched the first video, this is where we stopped. This is things I brought out, so I'll just delete it because I don't need it. I don't need these ones. Okay, the emoji, I don't not need it. Okay, all right, let's say okay, this background, I don't want the background, so I want to change the color now to blue. So I'll just click the color. Sorry, let me go back so that you see what I mean. This, as you can see, is color here. The bucket that is bent, half dark and half white, is for the color. So click it. I want to change it to blue color. Yes, this is it. This is the color I want. I'll say okay. And okay, I want text now. Click the A. Then this plus sign, I'll click it to bring this text box where I can now type. So I will double click it to type on it or in it, sorry. Let's say the spiritual atmosphere of your child's school. Okay, this is what I want to type as a title. So I'll bring it here. I can enlarge it if I want, shift it like this, draw it to be okay. It's okay, I want to make it bigger. So what I will do is I want to increase it. So I will scroll to where I have size. This T, big T and small T is the size. So I'll click on it. It's at 40 now. If I press the plus sign to be increasing, are you seeing? If I press this one to be reducing. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Well, let me give it another 42. Okay, then I'll click the good. Then what do I need again? Let me go more. I want to make this child school to come to the center. So I'll click align, as you can see there after the T. So I'll click this one that is at the center. You see, came to the center. That is how I want it to appear. All right. So I'll click OK by the good. Then another tool I want to work with is the stroke tool. It makes a text to appear or an object to appear bolder or in a bold way. I click it. I have to enable it by clicking on this button. It's okay. So in making it stroke, I can use any color to, okay, see what I'm doing now. See what I'm doing. I can use any color to make it, to stroke it. All right, but what I want to use is black. Okay, and I can increase the texture of the color by plusing it, doing plus, or if I want to do this here, I do minus. Is that okay? I think this is okay. Okay, so I think I don't need any other tools this side. I can say okay, I'm going to make it bold by clicking the B. Then I will now click B here. It will be bolded. If I want to italicize it, the same thing, underline and all that. So let me say okay, it's okay by me like this. All right, so I will now click on the background. I'm done with that one. If I want to add anything, okay, let me add something to it. I want to add the background to the text. Sorry, I'll have to click the text. Okay, so you have to click the text first to highlight it as it's text you want to work with. Let me add a background to it. You see background here, this T. I'll click it, enable it, background color now, sorry. So let me say which color will fit. Okay, I think this color should be okay. Now in this place I can manipulate the background. See what I'm doing now. This is to increase it, this is to reduce it. Okay, so if I keep it at this, is okay here. And this last one now is to make it to look as if it's round. As you can see, okay, see now, you see the edge has straightened. If you want the edge to look round, you increase it. Okay, so why it didn't show is because of the length of the text. Okay, I can say okay. All right, let me go back to the size. Okay, I think this is okay for now. Then I want to get my picture. I want to put my picture there as the speaker. So what do? I come to this center one and click on it. You see import. After the sticker, the star sticker, import, click on it to take me to my gallery where I can now select any picture of my choice. I hope the picture I want to use is here. These are the pictures that I have. Okay. To make this thing fast, I will just take any of my picture. Okay, let me take this one. Okay. Now it comes here. I can crop it to the size I want. Let's say I want to create a shape where I'll put this my picture that looks round. So what I'll do, I'll come and click this circle box here. You see, it will bring my shape in a round form. I'll now click the good okay to bring me to this place. So see what I want to do now. What I want to do now is that I want to create a shape and put this my picture inside of it. Now, how do I do that? I'll go to the up and click on that plus sign. Select shape to give me a box shape. If you look at down here, you see something like the color, and beside it is something like a small triangle that is bending down. You click on it so that to give you the several shape that is there. I want this circle one. It will come out, then I'll say okay. Now I want it to be colored, so I'll select the color. This one that looks like T is the color for the shape. I click on it, enable it. It is red. Okay, so I want another one. I want to make it will it be yellow? Okay, or let me leave it. If I want another one, I can give it. Let me just leave it at this. Then I'll reduce my picture. I want this picture to come to the front. It's at the back now, so I will scroll back. See, copy, see to front, click front. Okay, to come to the front. So I will now increase it to make it match like this. Okay, this is what I want. Then I'll add the text by clicking the text box plus at the top. Bring it down, double click it, and now write my name. Let's say Mr. Ben. Is that okay? Mr. Ben. Okay. Let me put it in full. Mr. Benjamin Nelson A. Alright. So I'll draw it to increase it. Then I need another text to see that I'm the speaker. Double click it. And now put something like this. Speaker. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, so I click on it. Bring it down here. Is that okay? Yeah, this is just like a sample, the spiritual atmosphere of your child's school. Okay, Mr. Benjamin Nelson A, speaker. I think I don't want to make the video more longer than this, so I'll just stop at this. And so you create something of this nature. Maybe you can put your own picture or whoever picture you want, and give a title to whatever the program will be, and come up with something like this and send to the platform. Let me see what you come up with. Thank you. Okay, I've not saved it, so I have to save it now by clicking on the save as project. first, like I said in the first video. Let's say school. I want to save it with the name school. Say okay, then go back, click save as image. I'll click here to save it as PNG image that will not have any background if I send it out. Okay, then this one default, I see ultra, then save to gallery. It is saving. Okay, it's done. So if I minimize now and go back to my file, you see there, let's say image, click on it. All right, so do something of this nature and let me see what you come out with. Thank you.